Today in the grain markets, soybeans surged again. We got a new high on solid demand. It continues. China continues to buy. Today we had a 27-cent range. I really thought after yesterday's decline that maybe this was the turning point, but the market really surged higher. I think that the fact that it started out lower and really got a big push and ended really on its highs, I think it tells a lot that the market still has a long way to go. I know that we have a significant discount to Brazilian soybeans, and they're almost out of their soybeans right now, even though they're getting ready to get things planted right there. It looks like that China still has that food shortage, and we expect that they're going to continue to come to the U.S. for their grains. Now, corn was higher as well. It's really following along with the soybeans. And there was a typhoon in China that really affected their crop, their corn crop. And so we've always known that it was clear that they did have a corn shortage there. And, this is also impacting the prices there in China. I think that we had a 10-cent range in corn this time, and it did start out lower, then ended up higher. And it looks like the U.S. dollar is a little bit lower as well. That's giving the market somewhat of a boost. So corn and soybeans were very, very strong. And I think that maybe they had a little bit of an overflow effect on the wheat. The wheat did rebound, but the futures did start a little bit lower. Now, in wheat, they had a 10-cent range, and possibly because there is a drought in the western area of the U.S., but the world wheat supplies are higher, even though there's an idea that the U.S. supplies are going to be a little bit, they're going to decrease somewhat, or they're a little bit lower than they have been. Is this really the reversal of the trend? It's very possible as the market continues to look strong, and there's really no end in sight. After all is said and done, really the corn and soybeans are in overbought conditions, but the market keeps marching on.